Well, hello, good morning, and welcome to an episode of Camilla and I. And here we're taking a break from our 50 greatest tips, and we've come to the seaside, and indeed Sturt Pond, a favourite of ours at Keyhaven. Absolutely beautiful little area. And today I thought we'd concentrate on the turnstones, a very easy subject to photograph. So yeah, a great one to start with. So this is what we call accessible wildlife photography, the turnstone. An amazing bird, a small wader, and very common to Keyhaven. Lovely little bird, it's around here all year round. It's an absolute delight to photograph. And if you stay still and patient enough, they come right up close. Absolutely superb. Yeah, so it's just the way we like it here on Camilla and I this morning. A subject, a very common subject, the turnstone, and in beautifully close. And a friendly little gregarious bird, absolutely gorgeous little thing. And it really is quite sociable. It usually goes around in little packs here at Keyhaven, and there's little flocks, usually 8 I think in this particular flock, and it's such a friendly little bird. They come up and really pose for the camera, so this is an excellent subject if you're just getting into wading birds at the coast. See if you can find yourself a flock of turnstones, because they are absolutely beautiful. So here we are, approximately 10-12 feet away from these birds, just within the range of the 600mm. Absolutely brilliant. So you don't need a Sony A1 and a 600mm f4 to photograph these little birds. I mean, a 70-200 f2.8 and a lesser body would do just as well. Look how friendly these guys are. Absolutely incredible. Beautiful turnstones. Yeah, so I've actually got a couple of birds that have come so close now, I can't photograph them with the 600mm f4. Incredible. An amazing little bird. It's got 6 in front of me right now. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Look at that. It's incredible. What a subject. If only all wading birds posed like the turnstone, it'd be absolutely easy as pie. And no one would do wildlife photography because it's too easy. Yeah, so as these guys are so easy to photograph, the thing we're looking for is feeding activity, something a bit different. I mean, turnstones, they do what they say. They keep turning over stones all the time, or in this case, bits of seaweed. And they're looking for grubs, tiny fish even. So you're looking for a shot with a fish in its mouth or a grub in its mouth, and also a wing stretch. It's a very nice wing stretch shots. So you need something a bit out of the usual. I mean, yep, these are amazingly sociable birds. Can't believe how sociable they've been this morning. Absolutely incredible. They will fly off if there's any dogs or anything in the area. So I'm doing them a great service this morning, out of the dog zone. So just literally off the path here, and this is just a great spot with the tide coming in now. Should be full tide in about another hour. So these birds are taking advantage before the bank is covered. Yes, I got some marvellous footage of these guys this morning when they haven't been too close for the 600 f4 and the Sony A1. So yeah, they were a bit distant at one point, honest. So yeah, I'll show you some footage now and some pictures I got earlier. So the turnstone does have a bright patch on it, so be careful photographing it in sunny conditions, because the bright areas really do shine out. So yeah, be careful. Might have to set a bit of negative compensation just to retain those highlights, even though essentially it's quite a dark bird. Yeah, so just a quick one here today on Camilla and I. The turnstone, well worth photographing as a beginner wading bird for wildlife photography. So a lovely wading bird to start with, the turnstone. Allergic to dogs, so yeah, dog walkers, keep your dogs on a lead, please. Anyway, thanks for watching episode of Camilla and I. Just a quick one from Keyhaven, Sturt Pond. Hope to see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye from Camilla and I.